everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your 8-ball pool account. If you need to delete your 8-ball pool account, then first of all, open up the 8-ball pool application on your mobile device. Once you're inside the home page, go ahead and tap on the gear button at the bottom left corner. This will open up the settings menu where you need to scroll all the way down and then find the delete account option. To delete your account, tap the delete button right next to delete account and select delete my account permanently from the pop-up in order to complete your account deletion. Remember that you are about to request the permanent deletion of your account and all of your personal information. If you click on the red delete button, you will erase all of your account data including game progress, levels, purchased and earned items and access. After tapping the delete account button, your account will be cancelled in 7 days. After the account has been deleted, you will not be able to get access back to your account. If you change your mind in 7 days, you can cancel the deletion by tapping on this cancel deletion button, and that is how you can easily permanently delete your 8-ball pool account. If you found the video helpful, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Gameplay Classic for more tutorials like this. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.